Sally! Sally! Wake up!
Huh?
Wake up, Miss Sally! You're late for math class!
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Sally, can I have a word with you?
Sure thing, Apollo.
So, what's this you're dreaming about?
Well, Mr. Apollo, I have this strange, fuzzy feeling about it. I just want to hang out in the wild with the bees.
Nope. Not this time, Sally. Not this time. Well, I'll show you around. This is your open space. And this is your open farmlands. And this, Sally, is where you work. Sally? Sally? Oh, darn it, I got bamboozled again.
Da da da, going on the yard sale. Da da da. Sally, are you sure you're gonna give me those magazines? Those animal magazines? All yours, my friend. And even those even those, even this Gatorade. All yours, my friend. I've got something really special for you. Ramen noodles!
Hey guys, what's going on? What's all this? Hey guys, are you just having a garage sale? I'm interested to buy stuff.
Willie Bob, I hate to say this. I have to go in the wild with the bees. Just hang out and buzz around. I'm ready to hang out in the wild with the bees.
Sally, with all this foolishness, why do you want to hang out in the wild with the bees? They're really mean bugs, I can tell you. They'll sting you, the stink's gonna hurt, like, ooh! So, just be careful.
Okay. Bye, y'all. Buzz, 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 buzz. Hey, guys. Where's Sally?
I don't know. She must have run away.
Might have to take another week, I guess. Diesel Dad is sad! I'm home. I'm home! 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 Brothers and sisters, wait for me! Well, this is the life. Cheeseburgers. I smell them.
Here, Diesel Dan, have a cheeseburger. There she is, Diesel Dan. Say your line.
Well, thank you, Willie Bob. I would like to have one. Take burger. These are Sally's favorites. Take a bite. Diesel Dan, I'm not coming back.
I miss you. Willie Bob misses you. Even Fang misses you.
But I'm happy here. That's where I belong. In the wild. Where I belong.
No! Miss Sally!
What a wonderful day. Just to play in the fields. Just like normally. Hi guys. How's it hanging? Nothing much, is it? So... Huh? Diesel Dan! Go away! I'm a honeybee now! Just go home!
If I can't have you as a friend, I'll make you a trophy. Even I picked up this nice jewel for you.
Diesel Dan, stand back! Go away! I'm a honeybee now! Ah!
I still see you there.
Ah!
And I still see you.
Ah!
You look good on my mental. Friends forever, Miss Sally. No. No. I got you now, Miss Sally.
Diesel Dan, stop!
Okay, and this is how it's gonna be. I hope you're happy.
Well, that's over. Back to honeybee matters. Well, that's over. Back to honeybee matters. Honey. Ah, the honeybees are safely back from the returning. Greetings, my loyal subjects. Ah! Oh, ouch. Oh, ouch, 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 ouch. Being a honeybee sure is fun. Buzz. 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 I don't know why I feel this way. Ooh, I feel something itchy. I feel itchy. Ooh, I feel itchy. Ah! Poison mosquitoes. What? Ow, ow, ow. Itch, 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 ouch, itch, 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 itch. Buzz. 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 Apollos. Buzz. Buzz. Willie Bob's. Buzz. Buzz. Oh, who am I kidding? I have a lot of and then I gave all that up. Huh? Huh?
Welcome back, Sally.
Yeah, welcome back.
Welcome back, buddy.
Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back.
You guys are right all along. I should have done that. That was a mistake I made.
Quit your whining and have a cheeseburger.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we do it. All right. Oh, 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 no. Oh, oh. How long is this gonna take?
Diesel Dan Itchy!
It's great to be back!